probably mid-30s, I started experiencing like real symptoms of anxiety. This wasn't like the nervousness you get when I'm walking into a meeting and, oh man, this was, I'm home. There's nothing going down around me. I shouldn't be freaking out, but I can feel my heart about to beat out of my chest. I'm like, I've got heart palpitations. I'm like, sometimes like my palms are sweaty and I don't know why, or, I'm stressing constantly and it won't stop. It just won't go away. And you're just feeling your heart in your throat. I felt a lot of my anxiety collecting here. Yeah. My wife will tell you, she can see it in my shoulders. Like I'd just be kind of balled up.
Yeah.
That came out definitely in anger, irritability, and different things. I'd say it all kind of came to a head right around my 40th birthday, where I really had to admit, after numerous pleads from my wife and friends, to, hey, why don't you go to the doctor and see somebody? I did. Ended up taking medicine for a season to help out with that. When I talk about that, that's still, it's like, geez, man, this is going to be on the internet. I don't know.
Yeah, I know, right? Yeah.
I don't know if I want to say that out loud. I don't know what, should I admit that? There's almost a shame.
Yeah.
In that, like I was too weak.
Mm-hmm.
Like in my weakness, I had to do that. But quite the contrary, it was actually in my strength I had to do that. I had to admit something, and that was that it was not getting better.
Mm-hmm.
I had to admit that, physically, I had symptoms that I couldn't just cure, symptoms that I couldn't just solve, things that I couldn't just wish away. I tried. And I'm not saying I tried for like 2 weeks.
Mm-hmm.
I'm not saying I tried for 2 months. I'm saying I tried for like 6 years. Because I neglected help for so long, I think I drove myself probably into a worse place by not admitting and saying out loud. That was one of the worst things I had to do, was just start talking out loud. I feel this. Right. This is where I'm at. Even to the people I'm closest to, just saying, I'm here.